Paragraph 8 covers title insurance. So what is title insurance? Basically, the seller is going to provide a policy which which comes from the title company. So the same title company that's processing the transaction is also an insurance company which is going to ensure that the title that's being provided at closing is a good title. So Jeremiah's great 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 grandpa didn't leave to Jeremiah some ownership in this property that allows him to come out of the woodwork in a year or 2 years or 10 years and try to stake a claim to property that you're buying today. Now, he may do that, right? Jeremiah may have that claim, but the title company is protecting you as the buyer, that they're going to defend against that because they're going to do their research up front. So there are two types. There's record title. These are things that are in the public record. And then there's off-record title. So they're going to do some investigation to try to find things that aren't recorded to make sure that they are clear. Big key to this whole paragraph is 8.1.3, owner's extended coverage. Remove some of the common exceptions, and they're defined there: parties in possession, unrecorded easements, survey matters, unrecorded mechanics liens, a gap period between the effective date and the time of commitment to the date of time that the deed is recorded, and unpaid taxes and assessments. Those are standard exceptions that you don't get as the buyer unless owner's extended coverage is requested. So as a buyer, it's critical that you get that. It's not expensive. Typically, the seller will pay for it, but if they refuse, it's absolutely money well spent as a buyer to go ahead and get that OEC. The last thing that I will talk about here is that there's also a secondary policy that the lender is going to require. So there's a title insurance policy for the buyer. If you're getting a loan, there's going to be a lender's policy that the buyer will be paying for, unfortunately. Cost of doing business in terms of getting a loan. So that's a high level on title insurance. Critical, obviously, because it's such a big investment, but the process is in place to protect you.